Hi people, how are you? Last time I backed out. I don't know why. So we're gonna burn this right now and see what it does. Okay, let's do it. I'm sorry neighbor, but this thing's gonna be loud. And she got the kids outside. Let's hear it. Look at these people. What do you think it's gonna do? Huh? Think it's gonna do, people? You like this type of stuff? Mándame un mensaje si quieren más de esto. Put it on the messages if you want more of this kind of stuff. People, think it's gonna be dangerous. Ah, fuck. People, it doesn't wanna get burned. Doesn't wanna burn. That's it. That's what we need right there. Se quieren quemar. They don't want to burn. I don't know why. Okay, they'll burn right now. Look at this. Look at this, people. Hell yeah. Okay. No tengo mucho tiempo y que explote uno. Man, así va a estar. Su verga, no va. La virga, no va. Verga, no. Here, people, this thing is dangerous. Pero no se quiere quemar. Su verga, ya me pegó. No se quieren quemar.